Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create a shirt in Roblox using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So as you can see that I am only using a presentation, but don't worry because I guarantee you after watching this tutorial, you'll know on how to create a shirt in Roblox using your computer. So first of all, you need to install your Roblox Studio. So download and install Roblox Studio from the Roblox website, which is the roblox.com/create. Launch the application and log in with your Roblox account credentials. Now create a new shirt template. So in Roblox Studio, click on New and then select Shirt from the Templates section. This will create a blank shirt template. So now customize your shirt. Use the painting tools and options in Roblox Studio to design your shirt. You can add colors, patterns, logos, and other details. Be sure to keep the template's guidelines in mind as they will indicate how the design will be applied to the shirt. Okay? But a friend of mine used when he create a shirt here on Roblox, he used Canva to customize his shirt. Okay, so now you need to save your shirt. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on File and then select Save to save the shirt template to your device. Now just go ahead and upload your shirt to Roblox. Go to the Roblox website and log into your account. Navigate to the Create section and select Shirts. Click on Choose File to upload your shirt template from your computer. Fill in the necessary information and click Upload to submit your shirt. Now, configure the shirt settings. After uploading your shirt, you can configure its settings such as the price and whether it is for sale or free. Set the options according to your preferences. Now just go ahead and publish your shirt. So finally, click on Save to publish your shirt to the Roblox catalog. It will then be available for other players to purchase or wear. So that's it. Your shirt is now created and published on Roblox. Other players can find and wear your shirt in the catalog if they are interested. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.